Well, here we are on YouTube.
Yes, we are. That's correct. We are here on YouTube. And Ryan, I'm very excited to look at this song with you. I know the song quite well.
Oh, you know the song?
Yes, I do. I'm a huge Stevie Ray fan. I don't know all of Stevie Ray's stuff, but I'm very familiar with the sound of his guitar because it's a very distinct sound.
Mm-hmm.
And I know this song. I've heard like whatever the studio version, if that's a thing for Stevie Ray. A lot of his stuff is live. Quite a bit of his stuff is live. And this is from Scott. Scott Thanish. Scott. What does it say, Scott? All Scott says is, thanks.
You're welcome. Well, Scott, thank you. I think Scott might be a new patron. So hopefully, Scott, you'll stick around and give us more money. I mean, requests.
Or Stevie Ray.
I was going to say that because we've only done on this channel 2 Stevie Ray songs. We did.
Real?
That's it. We did one in December of 2020. The song was "I'm Leaving You." Okay.
Yep.
And then April 2022, we did Little Wing.
Yeah, and that was the one that I requested you to listen to.
Oh, so that was actually was that a Nathan Shares with Ryan?
That was Nathan Shares with Ryan.
So this is only
we only had one actual request from Stevie Ray, and I if you're just hearing this for the first time, Scott, or anyone else out there listening to this, that
give us Stevie Ray because I love
Stevie Ray virgin amongst us. We need to get Ryan, pregnant.
What? Yes, I want to get pregnant with Stevie Ray songs.
Exactly.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Yeah. Well, so you know the song. I think it's a live performance, which you haven't seen at the very least.
No, I haven't seen
it. Okay. Let's do it.
Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Trying to call my baby. Lord, I can't get a single sound. in the rain. Well, dark clouds are rolling. Man, and I'm standing out in the rain. Well, the water keep a rolling. Man's about to drive poor Stevie Ray inside.
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that.
whiskey. Well, back home I know, like a tornado, baby, the sun shines every day.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
I've never seen that performance. So, and I've listened to that song, but I had no idea that he would do that kind of stuff on stage, the playing behind his back, I just think he's so familiar with the guitar. And I would say this about, like, people have leveled some criticism against Stevie Ray over the years, which I've heard
Really?
it all before. Oh yeah.
Well, I get every artist has it, but I'm just curious, what have you heard? Or
Well, like, he has a very specific playing style, and there's certain things that he does that he repeats in a lot of his songs, right? But I would put that to his credit. He masters those techniques to such an extent. Like, I've tried so hard to repeat it on guitar. Like Little Wings, probably one of my favorite songs of all time. And like, there's little parts of that I can get, but like there's no way. It's just, you get so good at knowing those tricks and how to do them, and when they should be played. Like, the version that I've heard sounds similar to that, but the placement of where he's putting things, the timing of when he switches from down low to up high to I don't want to, what they call that, chukkas, like strumming back to like picking back, and then flawlessly behind the back to front. Like, it's just, he had that mastered. He was a master of the guitar. And so I just have, I don't know, when people get all like, yeah, well, it just sounds the same as everything else, I just go, meh, you missed it. I'm sorry that you missed it. Yeah.
Music, the technical side of things a lot better than I do. I just have that. For me, it's always, how does it make me feel? And obviously I can see that he's good at what he does. Sure, like, he's technically good at what he does, but how does it make me feel? And there's something about, I love blues music. I've always enjoyed blues rock. And like any genre of music, there's a sound to what makes it blues. That's what makes it blues. Whether it's country, rap, heavy metal, there's a certain sound that makes it that genre. That's why there's genres. And so definitely blues has a genre, has a staple that we expect. Like, that's what makes it what it is. But I don't know why it is, but I enjoy those guitar solos and the bass line in the background and the drummer. And I'm just like, never heard this song before, but you're playing the blues. And I'm just like, it's like rock and roll jazz,
Yep.
Okay. Because I'm not a big jazz guy. What I mean by rock and roll jazz is like the blues combines both jazz and rock, where you just feel it. And there's a feeling you have when you're playing guitar. You're just feeling, and you and the guitar are one. And some people can just speak through their guitars. And Stevie Ray happens to be one of those few. There's a lot of people that can play. There's a lot of people that could probably watch Stevie Ray and, technically speaking, play what he plays note for note.
Right.
But there's something beyond being able to play it and speaking through it. And Stevie Ray has the ability to emote and speak through his guitar. And yeah, I love it. I mean, this is only our third Stevie Ray song, second request on our channel, because one of the ones was you sharing it with me. So I don't know. Come on, folks. What do you think? Join Scott. If you're a Stevie Ray fan, give us more requests, not just in the comments. You do have to join our Patreon. That's how we do it. That's what we do, and that's how we do it. But definitely, I will not complain. And I would love to have more Stevie Ray Vaughan on this channel.
Yes. If I was to make a request, I would love to have you see him play Voodoo Child.
That one, I think I'm. Oh,
that's a cover of yeah.
Okay, sorry. I do know the song Voodoo Child because of Jimmy, but I don't think I've heard. Okay, I haven't heard Stevie's cover of that. Okay, cool. Okay,
yeah.
All right,
it's great. It's fantastic. Yeah.
All right.
Yep. Cool. Thanks so much. I really enjoyed that. Thanks, Scott. Thanks for bringing up an oldie but a goodie that I get to kind of enjoy listening to with Ryan and with everybody else. If you never heard that, yeah, excellent. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.